In this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can redeem codes in Roblox Blox Fruits. For more tutorials like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel and helps us make more tutorials on Roblox. That being said, once you do get onto Roblox, whether it's through the mobile app or through the website, go ahead and scroll down on the Blox Fruits main page until you see this option to upvote the game. You do need to upvote Roblox just like so, and then scroll down just a little bit further until you see this little Discord icon. Click on that and hit continue. This is going to redirect you to Discord. You do need to go ahead and join the official Blox Fruit Discord for any of these codes to actually work in game. Just simply accept this invite as Boz or whatever your account name is. And after doing so, get back into the Blox Fruits game and this time load into it. Simply select whatever one you want to go ahead and be. No one ever selects the Marine, so I'm going to go ahead and select it. But once you do get into the game, you're going to see this little menu option over here. Select this little menu option. Right above this menu option, there's going to be this compass, and then there's going to be this little gift thing. Select this little gift icon, and from here, you can go ahead and type in your codes. Now, the best way to actually go ahead and get codes is actually just by subscribing to the channel with all notifications on. Because about every week, we try and drop a video on updated codes for not only Blox Fruits, but also a ton of other Roblox games as well. So make sure you're subscribing to the channel with all notifications on to keep up to date with the latest and greatest Blox Fruits codes. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video here. Before you leave, consider liking the video. And of course, commenting down below if you do have any questions regarding this entire process. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.